Jah Cure sentenced to 6 years in prison for attempted manslaughter. Reggae singer Jah Cure was convicted of attempted manslaughter and sentenced to 6 years in prison in the Netherlands on Tuesday, March 22nd. This is the singer's second major criminal conviction. Jah Cure, whose given name is Sikator Alcock, was found not guilty of attempted murder by the court, which rejected his self-defense claim. The 43-year-old singer was sentenced to 6 years in prison with credit for time served. His legal team may choose to appeal the ruling within 2 weeks if they disagree with the court's ruling. Jah Cure was facing attempted murder, attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault or attempted aggravated assault in relation to an alleged stabbing incident involving event promoter Nicardo Papa Blake on the 1st of October last year in the center of Amsterdam.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!